Drop the bass, main, the bass get lower. Radio say speed it up, I just go slower. Why you think you keep my name rolling off the tongue? Cause when you wanna smash, I just write another one. Driver on at the partition, please.
Hello Vagina Beauties, welcome to the channel. And for those of you who are new to my channel, I want to say I'm so glad to have you, and I'm glad you decided to check out this video on this gorgeous hair that is so beach ready for any vacation. And for those of you who are returning, what's up? I'm glad you came back. Today's review is going to be on this hair that was sent to me by Main Concept. So if you want to see more details on this hair, please continue to watch. And this is their certified 7A 300 grams 100% Brazilian virgin Remy with hand-tied closure. Now it's called Pristine and it's 100% human hair, original purity. You can color it, you can dye it, you can perm safe and bleach. So I got this hair in a deep wave in an 18, 20 and a 22 inch with a closure. Now I'm going to insert what the closure looks like and the bundles look like straight out of the pack. This does come with care instructions on if you want to bleach it. I'll read that out to you real quick and I'll show you it. So the benefits of this hair, it's 100% unprocessed human hair. It's soft, long-lasting, healthy texture, excellent perm results, tolerates bleach up to 40 volumes, and is excellent on color results. I will say I do really love this wave pattern on this hair. It is a deep wave. I've had deep wave hair before and it's been really tight. The deep wave usually is really tight. For some reason this one is not, and I actually like this wave. This wave is like a deep body wave to me and I absolutely love it. Now I did go ahead and wash the closure just to see how it would react and if it would snap back, and it sure did. As you can see, the curls did snap back. I love the way it feels. It is super soft and it feels nourished and moisturized right through to the ends. And the ends are absolutely gorgeous. I will show you a close-up in just a minute. Let me finish my pros and cons. Now, the only thing I didn't like was the closure. I wish it had a frontal. If this had a frontal, this hair would be on point. It's on point, but I'm not too much of a big fan of the closure because it's literally just a part right here, and on either side there's tracks. I would have absolutely loved the versatility of it if it came with a frontal. I'm more of a frontal girl anyways, but this is absolutely a great purchase for someone who is on a budget and they want a nice slay for their money. Absolutely, I would recommend this hair. Let me go ahead and show you the close-up of the texture. So this is the texture, and let me show you about the ends. These ends, it's pretty much curly all the way through to the end. These ends are absolutely gorgeous all the way. There is no split ends in here. Gorgeous. That texture, that curl pattern, that nice little beachy wave is gorgeous. Now the closure on the other hand, you pretty much just get this parting and there's tracks on the sides. So there's tracks here on both sides. That is pretty much my pros and cons. The only con I had was the closure. Everything else is absolutely perfect. Main Concept, you did your thing with this hair. Absolutely gorgeous. It's light and it's super natural as far as density. I mean, if I went outside, you couldn't really tell. Like, the density on this is absolutely gorgeous. It's dense where you need it and light where you don't. Like, up in here, it's not too dense. I mean, that's the way I constructed the wig, obviously. I did make this on the dome cap. It's a perfect amount of bundles, perfect amount of hair. Let me go ahead and show you the 360, so obviously the front.
I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless. Ladies, tell them I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless. Ladies, tell them.
And as you can see, the hair moves super well. I can run my hand through it, no problem at all. This hair can get big as you want it. I did go ahead and put a little mousse, not holding mousse, just regular mousse, curl mousse, and some water, and that was it. You can't tell me I am not vacay ready. Anyways, I want to say a huge thank you to Main Concept for sending out this hair. All information to link to purchase this hair will be down in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out. Also, if you like this hair, please leave your comments down below so I can, talk with you guys. We can parlay. I know that's throwback, but we can parlay. And let me know what you think of it. So please like, subscribe, comment, and share, because sharing is caring. And don't forget to follow me on other social medias like Facebook or Instagram at Annette Beauty. And stay fabulous and be your own vision of beauty. Till next time. Bye.